You've completed the entire series. I hope that this was very, very helpful for you to get you started on the right foot. Remember, do that first things first checklist as soon as possible. Announce your business on social media using that party link that you created, and set up a day and time for your launch party in your first 2 weeks so you can really start out on the right foot. Aim for shooting star in your first 15 days. Aim for sensational starts levels 1 through 3 in your first 70 days, and aim to get certified, aka your very first promotion and pay raise, as soon as possible. You can do this. Know that you have a tribe of people rooting for you and cheering you on. Now is a good time to touch base with your sponsor and let her know that you've watched all the training videos, that you've gotten familiar with your workstation, that you've read your consultant handbook cover to cover that came into your kit, and you are ready to hit the ground running and take this business super serious. Remember, you will get out what you put in. Choose to take action. Choose to do the things that will set you up for success. You will not be steered wrong. You got this, girl, and know that we are all cheering you on. Congratulations on the start of an amazing journey, and I cannot wait to watch this bless you, your family, and your entire life.